This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a quick look at how you can offer an additional level of protection on the manager mode on the 307 register. So if you're familiar with my previous videos, you may see where I've limited access to certain functions like refunds, voids and no sales, so that only the manager can carry out those functions. The weakness of the system is someone discovers what the manager clerk number is and they can simply sign on and carry out those transactions that you were trying to prevent them from having access to. So you can take the next level is to give the manager a passcode. So even though you might know the manager sign on, you won't know the passcode. To do this, it's mode, PGM, setting, personnel, manager, and then you enter the passcode you want to apply to this. Of course, unless you've limited access to the PGM position, anyone can go in and find out the passcode in there, or could even worse, could change it. So I'd recommend, if you're looking at this level of till security in terms of protecting the manager mode with a passcode, then I'd also really seriously think about protecting access to the modes, so you can give each mode a 4-digit code again. I've got another video explaining that. It's actually, I don't know why, because it's so simple. PGM mode, setting, personnel again, and then mode passcode, and in there you can have a mess around, change the passcode so it means that no one can access the programming mode to change the manager passcode unless they know the passcode for the program mode. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I've got other videos to do with the manager mode and till security on the 307. I'll put them all in a playlist which will be appearing on screen now. So you're welcome to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.